How to hack a computer. Hacking a computer is illegal and unethical. It involves using various techniques to gain unauthorized access to a computer system or network, and can result in serious consequences such as financial loss, data theft, and even jail time. As an AI model, I'm not capable of giving you any information that could be used to hack a computer or any system. The best way to protect yourself and others from hacking is to be aware of potential risks, take steps to secure your devices and networks, and to report any suspicious activity to the authorities. It's important to be responsible with technology and follow the laws and regulations that govern computer usage. Any form of hacking is considered cybercrime and is punishable by law. It's important to stay away from such activities and to follow ethical hacking practices. Additionally, instead of attempting to hack a computer, consider looking into legal ways of learning about computer security. There are many resources and organizations that focus on educating the public about computer security best practices and ethical hacking.